Okay, so I'm using tabs, so I'm just going to kind of clear them out because some of them by default are using spaces. See how that only went back one? That's because it's using spaces, so I got to go back all the way and then hit tab. And then if we press backspace, we go back all the way. If that makes sense, hopefully. And that should go here. Now that should go here. Okay, so now we have a container. I'm going to insert the logo. Alright, so I just created a really simple logo. And you want to put that in node blog public images. Alright, so let me just grab that. Alright, so I called it node blog logo, and it's just pretty simple. I just took part of the Nodejs logo and, you know, I just did it really quick in Photoshop, so nothing special. So we're going to add that. I want that to come right after the container. So we'll do image and give it a class of logo, and then the attributes will be src, which will be /images /node blog logo.png. Alright, so that's it for the logo. Next we'll have a navigation. So put a nav tag here, and then a UL, and then an LI, and a link. So href equals, and this is just going to go to the home page. Okay, next one. This is going to go to /posts/add, and it's going to say add post. Okay, and then this one. This one is going to go to /categories/add, and it's going to say add category. Alright, and then down here, right above the block content, we want our messages placer, or placeholder, whatever you want to call it. So messages. And that's where all the flash messages will just display. Alright, and then finally under the block content, I want a footer, and that's just going to have a paragraph, and we'll say node blog, and put a little copyright symbol in 2015. So that's the extent of our layout. We can save it, and let's just reload, make sure that it at least displays. Alright, which it does. So we want to add a little bit of CSS, make this look a little better. So let's open up public style sheets style.css. So I'm going to try to do this kind of quick. For body, this is what is default with the style.css that Express gives you. So I'm going to get rid of that. Alright, and this. And then for body, we'll do font family Arial, and let's give it a size of 15 and a background of really light gray, and the color of a dark gray. Okay, so that's the body. Let's do the logo. Okay, logo, we want to text align to the center. We want to set margin auto. Okay, the logo is going to go in the middle. And then we want to display a block. Alright, now the container. Remember, we're not using bootstraps, so these are the core styles. I'm going to set the container to a width of 750 pixels. We're going to give it a border border of 1 pixel solid and light gray. Let's see, margin, top and bottom can be 20, left and right auto to push it to the middle. Padding, 20 pixels. And we'll set a border top, and the color for that is going to be 83C D29, and that's going to be like the green, the color of the Nodejs brand, I guess. So 3 pixels solid. Alright, we're going to set up a class called clear, or CLR, and that's going to be responsible for clearing floats. Same thing that Bootstrap clear fix does, really. Let's see, unordered lists by default are going to have no padding and no margin. Alright, let's see, headings, so H1, H2, and H3. We're going to set these to have padding of 5 on the top and bottom, 0 left and right. Actually, we'll throw in the paragraph tag too. And we're going to set the margin bottom to 0. Alright, but paragraphs, I just want to set all margin to 0. Okay, links. Let's see, what do we want to do for links? Color. The color we're going to do 404-137. And I want to have no text decoration. So no underline. Alright, now for the navigation, because right now it's just, you know, it's a vertical list. We want to make it horizontal and make it look nice. So nav. Okay, the nav itself will have a background. It's going to have a background of 404-137. And the color of the links or text will be white. And we're going to set the overflow to auto. It's going to have a height of 40 pixels. Padding will be 20 on the top, right, bottom, and then the left will have 10 pixels. Alright, and then the font size is going to be set to 18. So that's the navigation itself. Now for the links, or the list items, we're gonna say float to the left and make sure we set list style to none. Alright, now for the links, so nav A, we're gonna set a padding of 10 pixels all around, and we're gonna set a margin of 0 on the top and bottom and 10 on the left and right. And we're going to make sure that the color is white. Alright, now for the current or active state, the menu links will have a different color. So let's say nav a dot current. Current, and then also for the hover effect, so nav a hover. Background. Okay, so this background is going to be 83C D29. And we're going to set the color to black. Alright, so that's for the current and the hover links. And that's pretty much it, I think. Let's go ahead and save it, and let's just restart the server. Alright, so it looks like it's not reading the CSS file. I'm not sure exactly why. Style.css, style sheets. Wow, that's kind of weird. Did I not save this? Or this? Huh. You know what? Let me view the source. Style sheets. Wow, that's kind of weird. Oh, something must be wrong, because look at the title here. It has the link, has the tag. What did we do wrong here? Title, node blog. Oh, I think this node blog, I think, should be like that. Let's try that. No. Oh, wait a minute. The link shouldn't be, it should be here on the same level as the title. There we go. Alright, so looks like the background for the nav bar isn't showing for some reason. So let's go down here. Oh, we didn't include the hashtag. There we go. Alright, so that doesn't look too bad. Very simple. So that's really it for the template, or for the design. In the next video, we're going to first of all, we're going to add some post. We'll probably add it through the shell, through the command prompt, and we'll start working on the index view, which is the home page, which will basically just be a row of blog posts. So we'll do that next.